Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. If you have a space that you need a really nice mirror that really reflects everything perfectly, check out this one from Murrey Home. You will really level up your space instantly with this mirror. There are no bulky rackets. It actually has almost invisible mounting pieces. It is sleek and easy to install. The mirrors are each 48 by 24, which gives you a ton of reflective space. I love the high quality shatterproof glass that is really crystal clear. I installed this in my workout space, but this would really work anywhere that you need beautiful, gorgeous mirrors. So whether you want to work out or dance, you're gonna watch yourself looking really goofy, but with a lot of style with this gorgeous mirror. This mirror is super helpful for getting great form, whether you're a dancer or an instructor, or you're doing some exercise on your own at home. It is a must-have. It absolutely gleams and super sparkling, and we are super pleased with how easy it was to install. But that's just my point of view.